also checked the comment section and I realized that many people were complaining. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inamse. I want to share with you something about Cheelee App. I saw this video if head of Vibe Sonia. She was talking about Cheelee App, where you can go and watch short videos and get paid. So I took my time. One of the things I'm trying to do for myself these days is not to see an information and just go right into taking decision. Before I take any decision, I try to find out how valuable that information is, because trust me guys, there are so many information on this internet, a lot of information. So many of them are fake and then we have the real ones. Yes, a lot of people talk about money, how to make money on the internet, and don't be surprised, there are people that are on this internet just to scam other people. So I'm not saying that with Sonia is a scam. No, she teaches other things. Yes, but that particular one, I saw it and I went ahead to do some investigation. I checked the app. Yes, Cheelee app exists, and I tried to find out some of the things they do if it is really true. So when I checked, of course, they have short sections where you can upload shorts. Yes, so I already saw some shorts. They talked about their signing in and all that. So immediately you sign in, they tell you to start watching. So one thing again is that I realized that you are spending your own data to watch. It's almost like a win-win situation. If I am watching a particular place, I'm watching a particular thing using my data, I know that I'm spending money on your platform. This is the first thing that we need to understand. So I tried watching some few videos and I realized that, oh, this could be data consuming. By the way, they are making money also from my data. I also realized that you have to buy some glasses and all that, but just to keep it a hold, I asked questions. I asked questions and I came to my favorite place, AI. Many of us are underestimating the power of AI. I want to take this channel, this platform, to be taking my time and be teaching us the things I do with artificial intelligence. That tool is currently more intelligent than you and I. No matter how intelligent, you forget it if you carry first class, even in the university, because it has the ability to search the internet, do research even faster. Here is what AI told me. AI told me, I went ahead to my ChatGTP, of course. Know that there are some good prompts you give to this tool that it will be able to bring out the information you are looking for. So I asked ChatGTP that, can you give me information about Cheelee app? Cheelee app. So here is what ChatGTP. What is it about? Blah blah blah. There's a way I gave the prompt, and trust me, it brought out this detail about Cheelee app. It told me how it's a blockchain. I asked it if it is a scam. It told me how, yes, people have been using the tool. And of course, I tried it. I am a kind of person that love experimenting, like trying one or two things to see if they exist, because I love teaching people the real thing. That is another aim of this channel. I bring the latest information, telling you how to monetize your YouTube channel, telling you your career path, and lots of information in this channel. So if up to this time you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will get updates. And here is what ChatGPT did. It brought a lot of details, in fact, including a video. So I traced that video, and guess what people were talking about? This Cheelee app. This Cheelee app that they told us from a channel that they were making so much money from it. It was all a scam, because people were saying that Cheelee app is a scam. How is it a scam? Somebody paid money up to $100. You know, one thing is that yes, you can watch those videos, accumulate the list and the dollars, blah 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 blah. But withdrawing is the problem. So She talked about, because before you withdraw, they will ask you to buy a certain glass. There are some glasses. Those of you that have used this application, tell me in the comment section if what I am saying is wrong. There are some glasses you will have to buy. You buy those glasses, and before they will take their, and buying those glasses, see, it's not free. There are glasses of $100. How much is $100 now? That is money, or even if you want to be using it for your data. So this particular video I watched, the lady was explaining on how she bought, she used up to how many dollars? 50 something dollars to buy the glass so she could withdraw her accumulated money. The same money she got from using her data to watch short videos. Are you getting the sense in this type of a thing? So at the end of the day, she could not withdraw that money. Immediately she bought those glasses, they blocked her and sent her a message that her accounts have violated their rules, and this is this. And to think she was saying the truth, I also checked the comment section and I realized that many people were complaining. They were complaining about Cheelee application. Guys, if you are here and you are just hearing about Cheelee app, and you feel, oh, easy money, let's go and make it. Let me just go and watch some videos, PPP, and maybe you are broke at the moment. Please, it's not a right decision, because you may accumulate those monies and not be able to withdraw it, or in the course of withdrawing it, they will still block you. They will still block you, and it's a waste of effort. I hope you have gotten so much from this video. Please like the video and subscribe if up to now you have not subscribed. My name is Nancy. I remain your YouTube tutor. Yes, I teach a lot about YouTube. My students are already monetizing, getting subscribers up and down, up and down. Watch my videos below, and let's get started. See you soon in our next video. Love you.